company trip, my internship that I'm doing in Taipei, and we're at this seafood restaurant and it overlooks this beautiful beach over here. So yeah, I thought I should bring my camera and vlog it for you guys because it's at this area where it's like really out of the city and it's just pretty beautiful. And just wanted to vlog what we're doing today. It's a really cloudy day today. It was pouring rain this morning and now it's kind of cleared up, but it's a bit windy and cloudy. And yeah, I should get back though because I think everyone's sitting down and eating now. I think I matched the outside pretty well. This is my outfit of the day. This shirt from Iris Garden, earrings from Majuri, jeans from Night Market, and my Nike sneakers. Alright, I'm gonna head back. I'm gonna eat some really fresh seafood and I'm really excited, and I'll bring you guys and show you everything.
Lately, I tell you all the time, baby, that you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine.
We arrived at the cafe. So this used to be elementary school, but it turned into a cafe.
Time, baby, that you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Oh, oh. Just let me show you everywhere I've been. Travel the world, still I miss my friends. The seasons turn, go home again. Drive in reverse when the summer ends. And you got me high, you got me thinking I want it over again. And you got me high, you got me thinking I want it over again. You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. You've been on my mind lately, I tell you all the time, baby, you make me feel fine when you got your hands in mine. Oh, oh.
Hello everyone, I'm finally home from the day and it's currently like 10 p.m. and I've been out since 9:30 a.m. so it's been a full almost more than 12 hours that I've been outside. I'm so tired and I'm sorry I didn't really talk in this vlog because I was busy just hanging out with my company, my coworkers and my boss, and just enjoying in the moment. But I filmed so much vlog clips, so I hope you guys enjoy like a therapeutic silent kind of vlog. I had a really fun day. I ate so much seafood. I'm gonna burst from all the food I ate. I can't wait to wipe off all this makeup. I feel really happy and tired but just fulfilled from the whole day. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was definitely a really fun day trip and I recommend you guys checking out the spots that I went to. If it wasn't for the people at my workplace, I would have never really gone out myself to go to these places. And you definitely have to have a car though to get to these places because they're quite out there and hidden, and it's definitely worth it though. I'm gonna go wash up and go to sleep, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and see you in the next one. Bye!